How to log in to Udemy account. So if you want to log in to Udemy account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now in the search bar you have to search for Udemy, and after searching, here on the first search you will have www.udemy.com. You can simply click on that. Now if you want to log into your Udemy account, then on the upper right corner you will have a login option. But if you don't have an account and if you want to register or sign up, then you can go to sign up and then you can create your Udemy account. But to log in, simply click on login. So here you can either continue using your Google account, or you can also continue with your Facebook, or you can also continue with your Apple. But if you want to continue with your email, then simply enter your email address and then you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply click on forgot password and then you can reset or recover it. Or you can also log in with your organization. But to log in with your email, simply enter your email address and then your password and click on login. And that's it. That's the way to log in or sign into your Udemy account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.